Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about the problem of 3099, which is the Harshad number. So what you can see here is that an integer divisible by the sum of its digits is said to be the Harshad number. So as you can see is that if you have a number which is divisible by the sum of its digits, then it is called a Harshad number. Now you have to return if this is a Harshad number or not, and if it is, return the sum of its digits in the output. If it is not a Harshad number, return -1. So it's pretty much simple that you have to first find out the sum of its digits, and then if it is divisible, then return the sum. If not, return -1. So it's pretty much simple, the code part. As you can see that we first find out the sum of the digits. If it is divisible, return the sum. If not, return -1. How you will find out the total sum of the digits? You will do a total, and you will keep on finding out the last digit. So as you can see, let's say I have the total number as 235. I will do a while loop, taking out the very last digit from this particular x. So x, this is the number that we have to find out the sum of digits, that is x. Find out the very last number using x mod 10, because whenever you do a modular with 10, you will get the last digit. You will take out the last digit, that is 5, add it to the total sum, that is the total sum, and then remove it from the number itself, because if you take that number divided by 10, then the last number is like removed. Okay, then which means that now you're taking your pointer to here, then again you take out the last digit, add to the total, and remove it from the number itself. It's a very standard technique to find out the sum of the digits of a particular number, in which we'll take the number, keep on doing this by first finding out the last digit using x mod 10, and then removing the last digit using x equal to x divided by 10, so that every number is first like taking the last digit, adding it to the total, and then removing it from the number itself. Keep on doing it until the number becomes 0, and then you have the total sum of the digits. Total sum of the digits, if dividing the sum, return the sum, else return -1. So nothing much complicated itself in the particular problem itself. If you still have any doubts, you can mention in the comment box of this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Lucky coding, and bye.